Today we're making creme caramel. First, 4 large eggs. Crack them in a bowl. We're gonna take a tablespoon of water. Next, let's go with 3/4 of a cup. We need to start our caramel. Full cup in the pot. A full tablespoon of water. It's going to avoid you overcooking it too fast. We're gonna put 2 cups of milk and my favorite, Mexican vanilla. Some of the best vanilla in the world. Go for it. You'll thank me later. 1/2 tablespoon is that we don't whisk it too hard. We're just mixing. We're not whisking. Whisking is incorporating air into a mixture, whereas mixing is just bringing the ingredients together. So this is all nice and mixed. We're gonna put this on the side. You can gently stir it at the beginning, but always avoid mixing it as it's cooking. So now that we have our caramel, we're gonna pour it into our mold. Hot caramel is super hot. Now we're gonna pour in our mix and we're gonna bring it up to temperature to 40 degrees. The trick here is to keep mixing because we're not putting in air, we're just making sure it doesn't turn into a giant sweet omelet. I like sweets, yes I do. I like sweets, how about you? The eggs are starting to cook. It's the perfect time to bring it and strain it. We're gonna give it just a stir. It's gonna take down all those little bubbles. We're gonna pour it into a measuring cup. You could use a ladle if you want. And then we're gonna fill our ramekin. We're gonna do it in a bain-marie. Now follow me into the oven and we're gonna have some fun. So if you have leftovers and feel a little bit adventurous, make a flan. Take a dish, butter it, pour the rest of your mix, and place it in the oven with your creme caramel. These are nice and jiggly, these are perfect. Here we go, in the fridge. While our creme caramels are chilling, this is the flan. Some sugar, because we're playing with Grand Marnier today. More sugar. We're gonna brulee. Now we're just gonna take some of our favorite fruits. I'm gonna use some berries. So you made your creme caramels. So here it is, creme caramel. So we let it set. You want more sauce? Leave it in the fridge for a couple days, up to 3 days. It'll really get all that beautiful caramel out. That's a great trick. But here, we're gonna take a knife. We're gonna go all the way around. Put it on a plate. You ready for it? Perfect.